Hey, beautiful people. It is Flex Your Love Fridays. Yes, it is that time again. Time to practice and flex our muscle of speaking about what we would love to be, do, or have through the words, I would love. What that means for this Friday is speaking about your financial source, your source of income. So instead of speaking about it or even thinking about your financial source of income in the way that you're accustomed to speaking about it, in the way that other people speak about it, I want you to talk about your career, your job, your future project, whatever it is that's going to bring money into your pocket and into your bank account. I want you to speak about it through I would love. So for me, what that means is I would love for my financial source of income to bring me unlimited prosperity as well as satisfaction and joy. It's your turn. Let's flex that muscle. Leave me a comment, tag someone, or share this with somebody that you think needs to be speaking their financial source through the words of love. All right, let's go and have a great weekend.